Here we're working on a 2009 Chevrolet Corvette. Brought to us with an engine noise, and I think I finally figured it out, and I'm going to show y'all how to, if this is your case, how it's happening, how you can figure out which cylinder it's happening to. The noise is sort of RPM dependent, and it is load dependent. So it has to be above a certain RPM to start making that noise, and it has to be under a light load. You give it more load, it goes away. You let off the throttle, it goes away. So like if you're driving it at like 4th, 5th gear, you're sitting at 2,000 RPM, and give it a light throttle, it's going to be like a constant tap, 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 tapping kind of rattling noise from the engine. And like if you're just coming up through the RPM, you might not hear it if you're giving it under load, and then as soon as you let off the throttle, you'll hear it tap a little bit and then go away. Or if you just hold it at that constant RPM with very light throttle, it'll just sit there and make it constantly. But you add throttle, it disappears. You let off the throttle, it disappears. And if you rev it, you can hear it as it comes up through the revs. That tapping noise you hear is what I'm talking about. And what I believe it is piston slap, and I've narrowed it down to cylinder 7, which is what I think it is. And if you want to know how, this is how you can do it. You can disable that cylinder, take all the load off of it, and if it disappears, you know that it's that cylinder. So you hear that if I hold it constant, it keeps making the noise. Rev, it makes a noise. I'm gonna hold it constant. Hear it kind of rattling. I'm gonna turn the injector off for that cylinder, and it's gonna disappear completely. Now when I rev it, no noise. Hold it constant, no noise, nothing. Everything's gone. No rattle. I'm trying to hold it constant, and then I'm going to bring the cylinder back to life. All of a sudden we got rattle again. I believe this helps me confirm that it is indeed on cylinder 7 is the issue, and I believe it may be like a wrist pin or piston slap issue. It may be the rod bearing, but I doubt it, because as soon as you add load to it, it just disappears. When you're holding it at a constant RPM, constant oil pressure, everything is constant, and you're just cruising at 2K, and it's just making the noise over and over and over, and then you just add a little bit of throttle, some more load to it, and the noise just disappears completely. I believe that confirms that it's going to be like a piston slap or a wrist pin issue. And it's confirmed that it is on cylinder 7, because I can disable that cylinder and the noise disappears. So I hope this helps y'all if y'all run into this issue and you're trying to figure out where the noise is coming from and you want to isolate it to a certain cylinder. Do the cylinder deactivation method, and then that should help you narrow it down. Alright, hope this helps. Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate it.